It's about time for me to get back sexy, which means I have some maintenance to do. It's looking like I got a nasty mustache, but that's because I washed my face. I didn't put any moisturizer on so that the wax could do its thing. I usually shave, but my hair goes back so fast. I just waxed my brows and my upper lip. No, I just shaved my brows and my upper lip probably 2 weeks ago, and the hair is already back. I'm not even going to zoom in. I need to shave my legs and just all of that good feminine body stuff to get me feeling back like myself. I've been using this Mater's waxing kit. It comes with this right here. It actually comes with some wax beads and these little, what are these called? Popsicle sticks. I don't know what you call them, child. For starters, I always put it to like the max heat, and then I keep the top on it just so the wax could start melting. I actually need to stir it up. And then once I feel like the wax is melted good enough, then I'll turn it back down to about between 195 and 210, just to keep it at a good temperature, but like not too hot to burn my skin. I've done my own body waxing. I've never done my face. We're gonna start with the lip, because I'm really I don't play about my brows, and if I mess them up, I'm going to have a panic attack. Like, seriously, you're gonna have to call 911. That is hard wax, so once it dries, you just pop it off. The good thing about that is I can just use some alcohol, 100% alcohol, and wipe off the residue. But my brain don't always work correctly when I'm panicking. Fight or flight, for real. If I just scrape wax a piece of lip off, a piece of skin, I'll live. But the brow. I very quickly changed my mind about the wax. It got no hairs, so I'm going to shave. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. We back. Who that in the back? Brows done. Face smooth, clean. It's giving sexy. I'm sexy, so he nervous. Yeah. Let's move on to the next task. Part of me can just get back in that bed, but I'm not. I'm about to go ahead and make some breakfast. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to have a proper conversation until I get some food in my belly. Let's go. Oh, my wake up face so ugly. Let me officially introduce today. I brushed my teeth, I've eaten, I feel good now. I'm about to hit the streets. So I wanted to do a light beat, a little everyday no makeup look. This is the face. If I'm being completely honest, I only did a little face because I don't know how my outfit's about to turn out. And my hair is a little flat. I'm realizing that because I have a round face, I probably should continue doing middle parts. I'm about to show you. Well, y'all saw it from yesterday. Not completely down though. Oh no, I got a line. I see what I'm saying. Like, my face is so rounded, and I think if I had a part, it would have complemented my face shape a little bit more because it just looks overly. But it is a half up, half down. So let's just see what it's about to give. And I'm actually going to film this video for Instagram and TikTok, like a get ready with me in a sense, while I'm picking out my outfit. I mean, I have the actual outfit in mind. It's just I don't know how it's going to turn out, and I can't find the inspo picture. Like, I saw the picture, I thought it was on Instagram. I checked my likes, I checked my bookmarks, I checked my shares. I don't even see the inspo pic that I'm talking about, which upset me. Then I went to Pinterest because I use Pinterest a lot for my boards. Actually, y'all can follow me on there because I'm gonna reorganize it and start posting my own stuff on there eventually. That looks like this, where I have just a bunch of like ideas of fits that I like, and I want to try to make my own variations of it. But the outfit I had in mind is not on here, so what, I don't know what I was doing. It was like a hood underneath a dress, but I don't remember what the bottoms were. I'm gonna try to make my own version of it. Isn't this cute? Okay. But y'all get what I'm saying about how the hair is slicked back. It kind of makes my face more rounded. Y'all see that. Y'all get that. I'm not making that up. But I think with the hair out in the back, it kind of makes up for it. But this is the face for the day. Let's put the outfit on. I'm actually going to prop y'all up on my TV stand so y'all could like see the behind the scenes, I guess, of me putting my outfit together. But again, if I hate it, it just won't get dusted. Recording this outfit drained me. I filmed, I edited, and I posted a little video on Instagram and TikTok. Hey, how it does is above me. But we're back to this. The face is on. The outfit was tea. I guess I could show you. I took a part of it off though. Can I show y'all? My pants unbuttoned. Don't worry about it. But I do need to eat something. I haven't had anything since my breakfast bowl this morning, so that's the next task, is to eat. Change of pace, change of plans. I just changed my clothes because I'm about to go on my date downtown. Don't mind that. Am I doing like a black boot? Am I doing a tan Ugg? Let's see, given. I got these black Uggs. Yeah, next I gotta touch up this face because it's looking a little dingy. I'm not about to do a whole lot of nothing, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of this dupe. Also gonna put this on my eyes. That's my little hack. Lip. Put some Aquaphor on them. Hands good. We're probably gonna do just like a NYX something. I don't know which shade of brown. They're pretty similar. I'm gonna do a real brown instead of a reddish brown. And we're gonna just kind of almost like an overline, because we want them to look kind of natural but still poking. And we're gonna keep it thin. I want it thin tonight. I think a pink gloss would look really good with this outfit because it's so mundane and nude. So I'm going in with this NYX Butter Gloss. This is the shade Merengue. See what I'm saying? Just a little pop or something. I'm gonna go over it with this Fat Oil by NYX. This is the shade Scrollin', or yeah, Scrollin'. This is super brown, so I'm not gonna use a whole lot. I'm just gonna topper there. That's pretty. I'm gonna put my rings back on now, like that. I'm gonna respray the same fragrance that I had on earlier. Do I even really need to rebrush? Because I'm gonna be on up in the streets, honey. Part of me is like, just leave it alone. Let it be a little wild tonight. I think I'm gonna let her be a little wild tonight. Yeah, let's turn this off. Okay, a quick what's going in my bag. So this is a blotting paper sheet. This is the Kiss New York liner that I just used. I don't know the color. It's just dark brown. And then the gloss, my beauty products, a small thing of Aquifer, and this inside pouch, hand sanitizer, mirror, floss. Digital camera, pen. Actually, let me make sure this is still. This isn't the right one, is it? This isn't the right one. This is the right one. Digital camera. The cheese. All I got was the flash, but you get the point. Yep. This is some hand lotion that I was given. ID. When I'm going out in the streets, I don't bring my whole pouch. I just take my bank. Should I tell y'all that? Y'all gonna come rob me? Anyways, my ID. Just thought about that. Do I have some cash? I got a couple dollars. We can bring this too. AirPods, Vaseline, and that's really about it. Where's my taser? That's the look for the night. Super cute, super tea. I had to ditch the camera because I didn't feel like carrying my camera. So I'm on my phone temporarily until I run out of storage space. I'm on my way to the bar right now, so I'm gonna catch up with y'all a little bit later on. I am ready to go to bed.